Pretty spectacular area here. This is near Jemez Springs in New Mexico. I'm headed up to the tunnels that I wanted to see. The Holman Tunnels, I think it's called. So, but sure is beautiful right here. Oh, spectacular. I mean, you can just see all the layers of sediment. And I think of all the history that that holds. Absolutely crazy. Don't know how much needs to be said, really. It's just spectacular. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that boulder. That is enormous. This just keeps getting better the farther up you go. Just passed through a couple tunnels right there. Look at this canyon chute right here. You see all the big boulders that carry down when you get heavy rains. You hear the river once again. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Man, what a spot right there to go swimming. It's kind of calm right there, a little cool. Ramps up, you can kind of see it coming down through there. And then look at the size of this boulder. This thing is enormous. I can't imagine being here when that thing broke off and came down from wherever it did. Whether it was over there and bounced over or came down this face. So let's continue up the road. So I'm coming into the canyon from the opposite direction. I turned around, the pavement ended right back there. And it is just this little segment, kind of, however long this is, this mile or half mile, that cuts up through this canyon right here that is absolutely spectacular. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Pay attention to the road. There definitely are some holes in it. These are all the little pullouts that I did as I was coming up. This one right here was in the shade. Now it's all in the sun as the sun keeps getting higher in the sky. It's early in the morning. It's only 9:20 right now. Down, and now we're kind of out of the canyon. It's just that little section. So, hope you all enjoyed it. On not US, but New Mexico 96. There's a sign right there, eastbound. Up through the northern mountains here. Absolutely beautiful. No traffic to speak of. Got my deer whistle chirping, as I have seen signs posted for deer. So I don't want to have an encounter there, but sure is a beautiful drive. Decided to stop here, get some pictures above the lake. I believe this is Abiquiu Lake or something similar to that. It's beautiful out here, so calm and quiet. Although you can definitely tell that the lake is low. into the summer heat. So you can see there, this is actually a earthen dam, it looks like. Driving over the dam, the lake. It's actually a earthen dam. Kind of cool. So headed east on US 64, climbing up and over the pass. Up and over 10,000 feet. Still climbing. We'll see when it peaks here when we hit the top of the pass. Colorado Highway 114 right now, lesser traveled road. I personally have never been on it before, first time. So it's beautiful right here now with sunny skies, clouds on the horizon, but went through some rain and dark clouds back by Monta Vista, and but here we kind of broke out of it, so that's nice. But some beautiful vistas and just the countryside and the rolling hills and stuff. I'm at 8,600 feet elevation, so it's a little deceiving, but it is absolutely stunning. Look at this canyon. This is insane. Just all of a sudden just dropped right down into it. Gotta love it. You have a truck in front of me. And in the meantime, just enjoy it. There's a little creek or river running down through the canyon. I stopped just back there before it dropped down into it, and I could hear it. Beautiful.